Class.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, class.
Hello, teacher.
And welcome to Primary 1 Basic Technology class. My name is Igwe Divinus Entity, and our topic is simple machine. Simple machine. Simple machine. Yes. Simple machine are those things that help us to make our work easier. We have many of them. You can see it at home. You can see it in the school. Let's bring it to home. Let's show you the one that you can see in school. Simple machine in school. One is pen. Pen is used to write. You can't use your finger to write. It's not working now. It's not possible. But with the use of this pen, it's very easy. You can write your name with this pen. So, pen is a simple machine. Next one is axe. Axe is a very good simple machine used to break something, maybe firewood or any other thing again. We have pulley. Pulley is a good machine used to pull or to move something above. You can't carry it with your hand. You don't have to carry it. With the help of this pulley, you can carry it up. Next one is screw. You can see structure of screw there. Screw is a device, another machine used to bolt or to join two things together. You can see your button. You have button on your clothes. This button now is serving as screw used to guard the 2 points of your clothes. You can't use your hand to hold it. But with the help of this particular button, you can join the two things together. That is the function of screw. Next one we have is wedge. Wedge is a very good simple machine used to stop object from moving. Maybe you are rolling a particular object. At a point, you stop and put the wedge. That wedge will help you to stop it without moving again, unless you remove the wedge. You can't use your hand or your strength to stop it from moving. Next one is wheel. The wheel there in a circular form. We used to ride on wheel, or we used to ride wheel. You are still tender. You are in primary 1. In your homes now, you use wheel to move. I once used wheel. And you can't use your hand or let your legs become a wheel. No. That wheel is a special machine that will help you to play about, because it's in spherical form or in the circular form. Once you're rolling it, you're running after it. You can't use stick to be wheel, or using your hand to be wheel, or using your head to be wheel. But the wheel itself only serves its purpose. That is another example of a simple machine. At this point, I still remind you that simple machine are those things that makes, or we use to make our work easier, unlike what you can do yourself. But with the help of those machines, you can do the work so easy. So at this point, we will stop to continue next day another topic. Thank you and bye-bye.
Bye.